WRP 0208, Section 71, Alvin Daniel Paulino, Sir Giovanni Casi.
Number 1, world's greatest stretch with rotation 5 reps.
5 reps.
Per side yan.
Bipo, tapos nun, galing.
2, 3, 4, 5. Next, dynamic cat cow. 10 slow reps. Okay, next, deep squat with single arm reach and rotation. Hold for 20 seconds plus 5 reaches per slide. Next, hip circles, 10 circles each direction per leg.
Ilan daw?
10.
Per leg?
Hmm.
Six.
Next, 90 over 90 hip switches seated, 10 reps. Next, seated forward fold with active toes. Hold for 20 seconds. Pulse speed for 5 reps.
Ano yun? Wait lang. Pause, pause, pause. Resume, resume. Ilan seconds daw?
20.
20 seconds?
5 reps. Next is thread the needle, 5 reps per side.
Oh. Another set. First. Ano yun? Ayun. Isa pa. Five, no?
Ano sa pangkat?
Oh. Up.
Dynamic cat cow, slow reps, 10. 10 slow reps.
Oh.
Next is deep squat with single arm reach and rotation. 20 seconds, 5 twitches per side.
Si hips, no?
Next is 90/90 hip switches. Seated. 10 reps.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up.
Next is seated forward fold with active pose. 20 seconds, 5 reps. Lastly is 5 thread the needle, 5 reps.
Yan na. Thread the needle. Hop. Thank you. Bro,